guys, my car is driving just fine. No error codes, enjoying it, being out. Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, you may find this very strange. So just like when I mentioned in my video, I had my brain kind of remote in, use ISTA Plus to try to figure out my FRM module issue, just to confirm, like I said, because I was using the BT cable. Well, after we were unsuccessful as far as connecting it to the car, I had my dash lights blow a fuse, so I had to get into my glove compartment area and change that fuse out. So I had the main line off of the battery and did that. No check error codes, no hyper flashing or anything else like that. And I have went through and double checked this car for the last 2.5 days now, just to see if it was just a fluke accident, that it just would work fine for one day or for a couple hours and then it didn't work very good the next. Well, you know, I'm out there driving. I've been driving for about 30 minutes, using my turn signals, getting in the car, turning it back off yet again, because that's what I was doing the last 2 days. Everything all is well. So for right now, I'm not gonna buy an FRM footwell module. I'll let it go like this for a while, see if it comes back on, but so far so good. Well, I know that wasn't technically an actual fix, but really in hindsight, it did. It's what fixed my car, is leaving the battery power off for that long. And I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, which is very strange. So we're gonna continue and keep checking it, like I said. Other than that, that's it. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. And as always, more videos to come. So I'm gonna be in Rancho Cucamonga here next week. So if you are in the area, let me know in the comment section below. And guys, as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Take care. Have a good day.